kids! It's another day today, and in our language subject, our lesson is all about it and they. So, are you ready to listen? Let's begin now. Now, remember this, children. We use the word it when we are referring to only one object or only one animal. Okay? Remember that. For example, look at the picture. The girl has a dog. How many dogs? Only one. Now, we will say, it is a dog. Again, it is a dog. Why we use the word it? Because dog is only one. Now, remember what I have told you a while ago? We only use the word it when we are referring to only one object or one animal. So, since dog is an animal, how many dogs? It's only one, right? So that's why we use the word it. Did you get it, kids? Good. Now, how about the word they? Kids, we use the word they when we are referring to many objects or many animals, meaning to say more than one. Okay? Take a look in the picture. Okay, this is an example, kids. As you can see, there are so many dogs, right? So we will say they are dogs. Again, they are dogs. Now, why do we use the word they? Because dogs are many. As I have told you a while ago again, that we use the word they when we are referring to many objects or many animals. Since dogs are animals, they are many, so that's why we use the word they. Understand? Good. So by now you know already the correct usage of the word it and they. Again, we use the word it when we are referring to only one object or animal. We use the word they when we are referring to many objects or many animals. Okay, do not forget that one, kids. Now let's do this if you are really listening to teacher. Color the correct picture for each word. Okay, number one, we have the word it. It. Is this the correct picture or this one? What is your answer? Of course, the only one butterfly because it is used when we are referring to only one animal. Okay, let's color. Great. Okay, how about number two? The word is they. They. Now, when do we use the word they? Which do you think is the correct? Of course, the many pigs, because we use the word they when we are referring to many animals. Right? Okay, let's color it. Great, kids. Okay, kids, you are all awesome. So I hope you learned something new in our language subject about it and they. Okay, so that's all for today, kids. Bye. See you again next time.